This place is Devil's Tower. We are in Wyoming, and you could have a look at this tower. I'll share in the description why it is called the Devil's Tower, but this is the closest view you could see of this one. And let's just explore the area around us a little bit. Okay, beautiful trees. Beautiful trees. Look at this tree. Beautiful. Must have been here since ages. This one is probably dying. This is the area which they call the Devil's Tower, surrounded by trees. I hope you like this one.